Kaz from Kaz Loves Travelling. Please join me as I review our recent flight in business class from Sydney to Dubai and then to Cairo on the Emirates A380. And a little side note, we've achieved this with using our Qantas points for cheaper than an economy flight. So I hope you enjoy and I hope it inspires you to travel and to collect your Qantas points. Good luck. So for this flight, we chose seats 7A and 9A, window seats, obviously. The configuration is a 1-2-1. So even though you have window seats, the odd numbers are actually against the window. The even numbers are closer to the aisle. I prefer the odd numbers. You get more space. The compartments next to your seat, the storage areas are fantastic. Everything that I wanted was so easy within reach during the flight. When we boarded, there was the pillow and the blanket and headphones and the slippers and eye mask already there for us. They handed out pajamas shortly before or after takeoff, and then they came around and made up our lie flat bed. The mattress is not as thick and comfortable as I expected, but still, lie flat bed, you certainly managed to get some sleep. They gave us the menu, we gave our orders for the food and discussed whether we wanted to be woken or not. And then they also handed out the beautiful ammenities kits, which are Bulgari, different for men and women, and has everything that you need. So deodorant, toothbrush, hairbrush, but there's face lotion, body lotion, perfume, hair tie, so everything you need. The food, as you'd expect, served on linens with proper crockery and glassware, absolutely delicious. And then after about 5 hours of sleep, we headed to the bar because, you're on the A380, you have to check it out at least. And yeah, had a couple of cocktails. I do recommend the breakfast martini. And spent some time there. I will say the seats further back, closer to the bar, if there's people talking in the bar area, would be really noisy. So if you're wanting some decent sleep, get up front. So this particular flight was special for us because it was my husband's 60th birthday. We did let the staff know and they made a big fuss of him, made it really special for us, gave us photos, gave us an extra dessert, and we honestly were treated like royalty. It was wonderful. We did have a one-night stopover in Dubai, so that let us enjoy the fast track check-in for first and business class. Fast track through security, it was literally minutes from bag drop through to the lounge.
There's direct boarding from the lounge. Here we go.
So the flight from Dubai to Cairo is only about 4 hours, so enough time for some yummy breakfast, a bit of a relax, hang out in the bar area, and again, it was actually Alan's birthday that day, so treated like a king. So So we're experimenting with different seating options. This time we're in 25 ENF, so in the centre, so we can be together. But we did have an economy flight from Zanzibar overnight, so we're probably just going to try and sleep a bit on this one to Madrid. But the bar is right behind us here. It might get noisy. I picked it because it was a daytime flight and I thought that's where we'd be, but you know, you live and learn, don't you? So here we are in our little beautiful compartment. Nice seating, but the side pockets have, or the side seats, window seats have the side pocket, which is much more comfortable. I have to add a review of the meal on our flight to Madrid because the beef was cooked so perfectly. It was beautiful. And then our last of 13 flights in total was our business flight from Dubai to Brisbane on the way home. Again, we tried a middle seat. I definitely prefer the window seat, so just my preference, but you can put that little border up. And finally 2 hours to go and we're almost home after 7 weeks away.